Okay, you gonna help me with this washing machine? Let me get my pitcher. Here, you want this? There you go. Okay, you ready, Buster? You want to put some of the laundry in? Ooh, you excited? See the little sheets? Better for the environment. Yeah. You like this? Hey, come over here, please. Over here, where it's safe. Come on. Good listening. Good listening. You want to toss a rag in here? Here. You can toss this little baby rag in there. Put it in here. Can you put it in here? Can you put it in there? Can you? You try. No, don't you bite that. That would not, listen, sir. This is not going very well. Come on. It's completely full of water, too. Pretty interesting, huh? You can't have that water. Sorry. Nah. Resist. You must resist. Let's put these socks in there. More water. Here, you can have this. I don't know how I'm going to drain this, Buster. I guess I'll have to pick it up and put it in the sink. Huh. I already am not crazy about the drain or the lid. All right. Show. It's pretty full. Hi, handsome. Okay, let's see. Buster. Okay, we close the lid. Are we ready? Oh, I have my glasses on here. I can't see. I'm gonna do the 10-minute stand. Okay, I got it. No, don't come at me. Don't, Buster. It's doing a good job washing, huh, Bus? I know the quality. Buster, you see yourself? Okay. It does. Ooh, I better leave the lid on. It does do a good job. Kind of. It's definitely washing, but it's very cheap. Buster's having a meltdown. It's Monday. Yeah, it's okay. The little washing machine is freaking you out a little bit. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, you were being really weird with me too, huh? Yeah. He's shaking his head, yeah. It's almost done, okay? Yeah. It's alright. You freaked? Yeah. It's okay. You can come back out here. I know. You were trying to come at my face. But it kind of freaked you out, I guess, huh? Made you a little too excited? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Come on, come back out. Yeah. Are you feeling better now? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm going to unplug it to drain it because I'm going to stick it in the sink. Let's see how this works. It drains really nicely, actually. think I may have filled the little basket too full. Hold on. I wanted to show the plug. I feel like the plug is kind of, well, it did better that time. Maybe it just needed to run a cycle first. But when I first tried to put the plug in, it was really difficult. So I realized with the washing machine, I was doing it all wrong. This basket is for when you want to spin, and you're gonna have to do that in a couple different parts. It'll wash a lot more than it'll spin. And because I have it on my countertop, oh yeah, this kind of scares Buster. I have to hold it because the suction cups won't hold. And then even if I could move it over the water, there's no like little drain hose. There's just this. So that's kind of a pain too. And the directions are really, one, I can't see them even with my glasses on. And then it doesn't say anything really. It doesn't even mention the basket here. So that's kind of some of my complaints about it. I can see its purpose maybe for campers, or washing your delicates, you know, different things like that. But I kind of had a hard time with the drain plug initially. That got better. I mean, it's a mighty little thing. See, some of the clothes already popped out, so I'll have to respin that. And then this little bit, and then also the lid keeps coming off. So yeah, but I'm gonna keep trying it and put it to the test. So I basically put 2 pairs of socks in here to see if that will spin out. And I put it down in my sink so the suction cups will go. But I don't know, it definitely washes well, but it's the spinning that's the issue. My bigger machine that I use outside, it's a mini washing machine, but it's way better than this. Yeah, so it spun 4 pairs of socks in the basket for 10 minutes. So, like I said, the washing is great. It's the spinning. After trying and trying with the Temu one, I'm going this route. He's okay with it like that. It's when you turn it on. Do you like it? You gonna get on it? Yeah, Buster's eating. Look. She's like, please. Please drop that. Please. Buster, are you gonna share with Daisy? He's like, no.
You'll have to get them when.
Oh, he wants more. See that's him doing Buster.
Here. He just said it. Wipe your pee.
No, he's telling the dogs to come here. He does that. He wants Max to come smack him with his tail. See him? He stands.
Say, come here, Max.
Say, come on, Max. Come here. Come here, Max. Come on. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Max, come here. Come to me. Come here. Come on. See, like he wants him to do it. Maxie, come here. Earl, my goodness, you were a trip.
Come here, Max. Here, Charlie. Charlie, come here.
I wanted
Here,
to
Charlie.
say,
Here,
do
Daisy.
you want a treat?
Here, Max.
Hello, Buster.
Max.
Buster, go tell Dad a story. Are you ready for bed? Yeah, he keeps peeking under there. You miss Earl? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you want to see Earl and go night-nights? You better go tell Dad a story really quick. Buster, go tell Dad a story. Oh, he's touching doors.
You gonna go to bed?
You ready to go night-night?
Do we need this bowl?
Yeah, it's right here.
I'll get him put out to me.
Hey, Earl. Oops.
Here.
I'm gonna get out. Sucker. Night bus. You getting your last steps in?
No, don't pull on
You
that.
can't pull. You gotta go to bed, Buster. See you in the morning. Mm-hmm. Earl, give me a kiss. No? No kisses? Good night.